You've been thinking about learning Russian, but then you saw this zh, sh, u, y, and thought, nope, not for me. But what if I told you you can start reading Russian in the next 10 minutes? Let's try. Поехали! We'll start with letters that look exactly like English. A, 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 like in angel, angel, exactly like the first letter in the word arm. A, A. Next one. K, K, крем, 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 like cat, k, 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 cat. Now look, k, a, k, cock. You can already read this. It means how, как. Boom, and you are reading Russian. M, 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 m. Mama, mama, like mom. Mama, say it. Mama. You just said your first Russian word. О, о, on, he, on, like in orange, orange, о. Там, там, there, там, like table, but softer. If you use Russian t in the word table, it will sound like this. Table, table, not table, but table, table. T, t, t. Now, try to read. Can you do it? Mama, там. Mama, там. Wow, you are already reading. And here's the crazy part. Reading is the easy part, but writing in Russian, that's a completely different story. Hold that thought. B, 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 барабан, барабан, like bread, the first letter in bread. B, b, bread. Now try to read. Can you do it? Кабак, 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 pub. Not bad, right? V, v, v. It looks like b, but it's v in Russian. Волосы, hair. Волосы, like in the word vacation. Vacation. G, g, g. Garage, garage. G, g, g. Garage. N, n, n. Nose, nose. Nose in English. Nose. N, n, n. Z, зубы. Z, like zoo. 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 India. 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 Like in the word tea. E sound. E. Yogurt. Yogurt. Y. Now try to read this. Мой. My. Такой. Такой. Such. Like this. That's real Russian already, and you can read. Okay, now try to read this one. Can you read this? Make a comment below. What does it mean? Do you know? Can you read? Next one. D. Дом. House. Дом. Look at this letter. It really has a roof and it has walls. It looks like a real house. Дом. House. Дом. Try to read this. Мой дом. My house. Good job. Sock. Sock. Juice. Sock. Or like sky. Sky. The first sound in sky. S. F. 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 Like in Photo, photo. Or in English, photo, photo. In Russian, photo. Or like family, family. In the word хочу, I want. Or like in English, hi, 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 ha, ha, hi. Next one, eh, аэропорт, аэропорт, эти, эти, these, эти. This is an open sound. Angel, angel, angel. All right, try to read this word. Can you? Спасибо. Спасибо. Do you know the meaning? Thank you. Right. Now things get fun. Y plus we get yeah. Yeah. Like English. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes sound. Yeah. Next one. Y plus O, and we have yo, 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 ежик, ежик, hedgehog, ежик, yo, or the English word yo-yo, yo-yo. If we add one more O in the end, y plus O, we have you, like the word you, you. Famous name, Yulia, Yulia, you. And the most important letter in Russian is Y plus A is ya, ya. It means I. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The next sound that we don't have in English alphabet is t, t, t. It is like in the word fits. T plus s is ts, t, 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 t. Fits. The Russian word can be Sally, Sally, whole, Sally. So now you can read some Russian, but can you write it? Because Russian writing looks like this. D, like a little house. T, not the same as t. M, looks completely different. Most learners get stuck here when they try to read or write Russian written letters. These are the letters people are afraid of. Ž, ch, sh, sh, ž, ch, sh, sh. Let's break them. Ž, like genre, genre. Ch, like in chimney, chimney. Sh, like shrimp, shrimp. Sh, like in the word shoes, shoes. Can you hear this? Sh in shoes, a little bit softer than in shrimp. Shrimp, shoes. Now you can read these letters. J, ch, sh, sh. Good job. Now real Russian sounds that we don't have in English alphabet. R, roll your R. R, riba, riba, fish. U, u, u. Yes, this one is weird. Just try. Start saying E first, but then move your tongue back. Ew. And you get U in the end. Try it. And this too. Soft sign and hard sign. Soft sign makes the letter in front of it softer. Hard sign makes the letter in front of it harder. They just change how words feel. Don't worry about them now. If you want to go further and actually write real Russian, how natives do, and not just recognize letters. I created a course where I teach how to write Russian cursive step by step, how Russians actually write in real life, and how to make your handwriting look natural. Link in the description. Now tell me, can you read this? Мой дом. And more importantly, can you write it?